Your question is, who is not the ex officio member of the National Human Rights Commission? Your options are A. The chairperson of the National Commission for Minorities, B. The chairperson of the Law Commission of India, C. The chairperson of the National Commission for the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, or D. The chairperson of the National Commission for Women. Right answer is B. The chairperson of the Law Commission of India. Your question is in relation to offences described under Section 175, Section 178, Section 179, Section 180 or Section 228 of the Indian Penal Code, the Human Rights Commission is to be deemed. Your options are A. Criminal Code, B. Civil Code, C. Revenue Code, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Criminal Code. Your question is, in which section of the Human Rights Protection Act 1993 is public servant defined? Your options are A. Section 2, B. Section 3, C. Section 2H, or D. Section 2M. Right answer is D. Section 2M. Your question is, the tenure of the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission is. Your options are A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, or D. 6 years. Right answer is A. 3 years. Your question is, while dealing with complaints of violation of human rights by the members of the armed forces, the Commission either on its own motion or on receipt of a petition will. Your options are A. Inquire itself, B. Give directions to the concerned police officers to inquire, C. Seek a report from the central government, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Seek a report from the central government. Your question is, chairperson and members of a state human rights commission are appointed by. Your options are A. President, B. Governor, C. Chief Justice of High Court, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Governor. Your question is, who is not included in the committee to recommend name for the appointment of chairperson and members of a state human rights commission? Your options are A. Chief Minister, B. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, C. In charge of the Department of Home Affairs, or D. Governor. Right answer is D. Governor. Your question is, a sitting judge of the High Court or a sitting district judge can be appointed as a member of the State Human Rights Commission after consultation with. Your options are A. The Governor, B. The Chief Justice of the High Court of the concerned state, C. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India, or D. The President. Right answer is B. The Chief Justice of the High Court of the concerned state. Your question is, the State Commission submits its annual report to the. Your options are A. Governor, B. State Government, C. Chief Justice of the High Court, or D. Chief Justice of India. Right answer is B. State Government.